Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to log into Raiffeisen Bank account. So guys, go to Google and search for Raiffeisen Bank login. Click the first result. After that guys, wait to log into this page. As you can see here, scroll down, click login option, or that from here enter your ID, the 8-digit direct ID or Electra user ID, and then from click on the next button. As you can see here guys, click your ID and then click next. This is for the web. After that guys, if you have went to login your bank on the app, click app. As you can see here, open the app on Play Store or App Store, and after open app, click the same thing guys, open your click just your ID, your ID, unique ID for your app. This is for app guys. This is how you can do. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content, and see you in the video. Just click this result guys and click login and write your ID from the login page. So guys, I hope this video helpful. See you on another video soon. Keep watching. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question.